What's going on now, Tom? You're doing your celebration
We
again.
do my celebration.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm probably not going to win any stage, but you know.
Wait a moment, look at me. Okay. Okay, that's right.
Buongiorno ragazzi.
Buongiorno signore.
It's a hard race for sure. There will be a hard race. If we compare, I think we have the first stage, also the prologue, and then in the last stage the TT, the long TT. So it's similar in these two stages. But then we have here, I think, more summit finish, and for sure the last week will be really hard. So yeah, I think will be different. I don't know, it's my first Vuelta, so we will see.
Today we go for a long ride, 7 hours, just to prepare the Vuelta. No,
7 hours?
I'm joking. Yeah, we do only 1 hour and a half, I think. A few efforts just to get ready for the TT for tomorrow. It will be short TT, but you need to be ready because it will be quick. So it's important to prepare really well.
Vamos.
I don't need to find myself.
Back with bubbles. Заботай, то нет парада.
Slarky will be happy.
Oh, you made it dirty now.
Yeah, first Grand Tour with the team. I'm just happy to get going. I mean, it feels like a long time since I've really raced with a team, to be honest. Yeah, even though I was here for BURGOS, even though I was here for San Sebastian, still it doesn't feel like I've really raced for a long time. So happy to be here. I really just want to get stuck in. Prologue first day is going to be a really hard course, especially with the heat, different kind of heat, dry heat. But I just want to get stuck in, get racing with the guys, and let's see what happens. I think if we race smart, we look after ourselves, we'll have a good race. That's all we need to do.
One, go. 1, 2, hands behind. That's perfect. Okay, you got it. Okay. Number 135.
No.
What's going on now, Tom? You're doing your celebration
We
again.
do my celebration.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm probably not going to win any stage, but you know.
Wait a moment, look at me. Okay. Okay, that's right.
What's your dad's name?
John.
Hello, John.
La Vuelta Ciclista España. Y bueno, fortísimo aplauso para INEOS Grenadiers. Ay, perdona, sí, Pedro, que te
iba a comentar simplemente que bueno, el equipo Movistar y sobre todo una de las empresas más FIC como es Telefónica, en este caso Telefónica Tech, que es un holding que trabaja en cloud, los big data, pues va a hacer un estudio en este fin de semana aquí en Burgos del impacto que es la Vuelta a España en la ciudad, ¿no?
de cómo va a rendir en el día de hoy. Es el campeón olímpico de mountain bike, es del equipo INEOS Grenadiers. Ahí tenemos a Thomas PICÓN en la undécima posición exactamente, a 17 segundos sale Thomas PICÓN. Creía que iba a hacer buen tiempo en Alto del Castillo. Con esta imagen también espectacular de la Catedral de Burgos, ha conseguido la victoria en el Giro de Italia, ha ganado el Tour de Francia. Esto es también el aplauso para Egan Bernal, el ciclista colombiano, otra de esas estrellas.
Al final pues gana uno, ¿no? Y así es la bici, ¿no? Pero bueno, ¿no? Tenemos un buen equipo, una buena expectativa de hacer un gran papel y por mi parte pues bueno, ¿no? Intentar ganar una etapa creo que sería algo genial. Sí, bueno, no, al final es carrera y cuando ya te metes en el mundo, ¿no? Al final ya sale quién realmente eres, ¿no? Entonces bueno, no quedará otra opción que intentar hacer nuestra carrera.
Vencedor también ahí. Adelante con Salvatore de Pulso también en la línea de salida, que fue la líder de Giro Italia. La presencia de Egan Bernal también con nosotros, vencedor del Tour, vencedor del Giro. Ahí vemos también a Thomas PICÓN, el campeón.
Ahead of today's stage, first kind of real test on the old mountain stage today. How is everyone feeling?
Yeah, I think we try get Egan and Richie Adam into the climb in a good position, and just try and stay with them. My job is kind of stay with them as much as I can, support them. But I don't know how far I'll get up the climb, but hopefully there'll be some crosswinds in the middle of the stage.
Yeah. Oh, you're the mad suspect. Oh mate, I got my went by 30 seconds to a minute, best of the year. 202 hour rate for a minute.
Ah, is that all?
Yeah. Ah yeah, I see it. I almost made it.
What are you doing here?
Get
off the bus.
I'm on the bus. Hey mate.
The daily grind of trying to sort out your radio.
There we go.
The struggle is real.
Oh, no.
Confirmamos la presencia de él. Llega el Martín. Con ellos el ahí lo tenemos también a Copa en el final de la carrera. El equipo con el consejero de dirección de Genia.